Hey all, Jordan Kistler, Berkshire Pontoons. Coming at you on a brand new 23 ULE. This is a take off of our very popular Ultimate Lounge floor plan that we brought out last year with a little bit of a twist. So first off, let's start with the new furniture for model year 2022. These are from our friends at Whelan Design. Brand new furniture aesthetics, brand new styling. We're really excited to show you this. We've intentionally designed the furniture with three-dimensional layouts to give you more of a pop. It's just not a vinyl wrap base anymore. Brand new seat curvature, brand new foam profile. We've also added 6 inches of width on your chase lids to really encompass you while you're sitting in your pontoon. Next, you'll notice all recessed cup holders. This front chase has 8 cup holders here, 8 on the other side. You won't run out of places to put your drink. You'll also notice we've moved the audio from the ankle area that's typical on pontoon boats up into the middle lumbar cushion. This is a great feature for better sound quality as well as volume. When you're going 55 miles an hour down the lake, you're not gonna lose the sound. This is an upgraded stereo system with Recon 8s, sub, and amplifier. This thing is very loud on the water. You'll also notice a brand new feature in all of our chase arms is additional storage. This is a great feature for keys, cell phones, wallets, sunscreen. Anything you might need a little extra storage for is now standard in all chase arms. With this, you'll see your USB ports. Your USB ports are now standard on all chase arms, accompanied with an LED courtesy light for at night to find those objects that you're storing away to keep safe. New available option on RGBs is ambient seat lighting. It's a high-end yacht feel on our loaded out STS. So now let me take you to our new floor plan, the ULE. Let me show you this thing. We've now added power electric biminies from our friends at TaylorMade, standard on STS models. So moving back here, you'll see our new Ultimate Lounger Entertainer. You can see it's a take on our very popular Ultimate Lounge floor plan with a little bit more features. Let me take you through it. This is your sitting position, your lounge position that can go either way, or your king bed position. Multiple various layouts and one more added feature. So as you can see, this table is great for entertaining on the water with friends or having the kids around for their afternoon snack. And when you're done with it, very easy, it flips down and your cushion pad slides in and you're back to your lounging position. We're really excited about this floor plan, excited to see it on the water. So as I said, this is our 23 ULE, brand new for model year 2022. To learn more about this boat, please visit us at berkshirepontoons.com.